Hey guys, this is vlog number 9. Today I'll be introducing you to a fermented food from Indonesia, and this one is another fermented soybean dish. This one's very popular in Indonesia and is great for a meat substitute for vegetarians. It contains a complete amino acid profile, so it's a great source of protein, and it's very tasty as well, so it goes great with rice dishes, classic Indonesian food, and is good to marinate as well. If you can marinate it for 15 or 20 minutes and then fry it and then just eat it as it is once it's been marinated and fried, and it takes on the taste of whatever it's been marinated in. So some soy sauce, some lime, some chili, or whatever else you feel like mixing in with it. So this one is called tempeh, and I've got some down here. I'm going to show it to you now. It's actually cultured with a fungus. So the soybeans, they're dehulled and cooked, and then they're set in a layer, I think traditionally in banana leaves, and the fungal culture is added to them. And this fungus actually starts to break down some of the proteins in the tempeh, in the beans. And what this does is makes it more digestible for us to eat them, because we have some difficulty in our digestive systems to break down these proteins. And it breaks these down and turns them into peptides and antioxidants and things that are then good for us and more accessible to us to digest and get into our bodies. So it's actually probably a better alternative than compared to tofu even. So yeah, great to try if you're vegetarian, or even if you're not. I'll show you some right now. So I've just marinated my tempeh in some soy sauce and put some chili and lime with it. You can see it there. So yeah, it's kind of all stuck together. You can kind of see the little beans in there, but the fungus fills in the gaps with the with its mycelium, and creates this kind of cake, I guess. But yeah, I'll try some. Yeah, it's really good. It's kind of nutty, really nice texture, and great as a meat substitute, or just as it is it's really good. It's savory, it's nutty, and it takes on the flavor of whatever you marinate it in really well, or cook it with. Say you chuck it in a stew or a soup or something, then it will just take on that flavor. So yeah, great one to try. And that's the end of the vlog for today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Cheers.